Hi guys, and welcome back to Tips with Pips, and we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. However, before I get started, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to join my Telegram group where I share market analysis and research. You can join by scanning the QR code on your screen now, or also join by the link in the description of this video. So moving on to crude oil, we're currently trading at $87.82, and we've seen quite a bearish start to today's session. That was followed by two bullish sessions. I'd say a significantly bullish session on Wednesday this week, and as I did mention previously, I'm incredibly bullish on crude oil, and me and the signal team do have a position open on crude oil, and we are currently doing very well at trading at around $87. As I mentioned previously, we have broken out of our downward channel trend. I was expecting here to see some kind of more of a bullish power here, where we came down and retested our top of channel trend line, purely based on technicals. However, we have had the key fundamentals over the last few days, and that's why I believe we've seen this consolidation as investors. And everyone's just digesting the news from Saudi Arabia and Russia announcing that they're going to be pumping less oil, which is ultimately going to put a bit of strain on the crude oil market, and ultimately put a bit of strain on the US and other Western countries. As we know, we do have the winter coming, and we do have a potential energy crisis. So I am bullish on crude oil, and as we have seen in the previous session on Wednesday, we have seen a very, very bullish session. We went from prices at around lows of $84 all the way up to almost $88. So it's up $4 in one session, which is a significant move in the crude oil market. So for me, I definitely see crude oil hitting $90, which is only $2.20 away from my current position as we're trading now. But I do see us going and testing that 200-day MEMA and potentially going to $93. Could we beat our previous highs? Quite possibly, based on the fundamentals of, like I said, Saudi Arabia and Russia. However, we do need to see if there's any more fundamentals that do come out. That meaning the US could announce something where we do see crude oil prices drop, but ultimately Saudi Arabia and Russia, their aim is to drive crude oil price north, which is currently what we've seen as of Wednesday, and that's what I believe to see in the upcoming weeks and upcoming sessions.